Hello, I'm Bryce, by the way, with Sunstone Welders. Let me give you a quick tour of the Orion line of benchtop laser welders. Now, we offer a wide selection of models, each designed with different features, power levels, and ideal use cases. The Orion LZR Benchtop series includes the Pro, the Select, and Eco models. Each will easily fit on top of your bench, or can be paired with an adjustable pedestal, like seen here. First, the Orion LZR PRO, our most capable benchtop laser welder, seen here. What customers like most about their Pro are 10x Leica optics, HD live view camera built right into the touchscreen interface for live view welding and recording, so handy. An HD output, which can be very handy to have the welder live project onto a large monitor. Man, can you imagine that for teaching? So helpful. Dual system cooling, smooth spot technology for the cleanest weld out there, 255 joules in power, an ultra precise spot size, including an optional 0.1 millimeter spot size upgrade for unmatched precision. Overall, the Pro is feature rich, highly capable welder that will really impress. Now, not every shop is going to need the power and capabilities of the Pro laser. There is an alternative, two alternatives actually. The LZR Select has reduced power range of 225 joules, but still has that same premium Leica optics and HD live camera. It's perfect when you need quality welding, but without high volume output, and still want the benefits of the HD camera and Leica optics. Now, if you have a smaller budget or don't need the power, then you can consider the Orion LZR Eco. It's an affordable option for light to moderate daily use, available in either 35 joule or 165 joule versions. It is perfect when you need quality welding without high volume or high power demands. Now, if you're making medical devices, if you're creating or repairing jewelry, if you're a dental or orthodontic lab, if you work in electronics, thermocouples, aerospace, mold and die repair, or if you just need a tiny little weld in just the right spot, then the laser is going to work great for you, and we have various solutions for you. 3 exceptional options: the Pro, the Select, and the Eco. Your pick really depends on your particular application and your preference. Not sure what you want? Let us help. With nearly 20 years of micro welding experience, we can guide you to the right solution. Now, if you need laser precision for a larger workpiece or for an automated production floor, Orion also sports an automation-friendly line of laser welders. Let's take a quick look at each option. First, the Combo 200. This extends our proven laser source through a 7-foot long fiber optic cable, making it ideal for mold and die repair or for large-scale welding project. It comes with an articulating arm for manual movement of the laser lens. Bring your laser to the part to make the weld. The DL200. This is very similar to the Combo, but with a motorized XYZ stage for precision positioning and automation control. The AWL, the ultimate automated workstation. It combines this Pro laser welder, but with an automated integrated CNC stage underneath, X, Y, and Z, plus R for optional rotary. The AWL features joystick-controlled movement for path saving, recording, and even G-code programming for complex weld paths. This one is honestly my personal favorite. So fun to use, just an amazing machine. Now, on the other end of the spectrum, if budget really is your priority, then you can consider the Dado laser welder. It's perfect for any shop. The Dado, while not part of the Orion line of welders, is fun and easy to use. The Dado is a compact laser welder and provides only 12 power settings, so it's really small, but it's perfect for light work in engineering labs, jewelry repair, or orthodontic applications. Not built for high volume, but it is the most affordable Italian-made laser on the market. The Dado's price point makes it easy, really, for almost anyone to have a laser welder in their shop. All right, now that we've covered the entire laser product line, let's quickly show you how to use an Orion laser welder. You'll be surprised by how easy they really are to operate. Now, all Orion laser welders share the same core functionality. Each has a fixed focal point. Simply align your parts with the crosshairs, press the foot pedal, and done. The weld is complete. It really is just that simple. Here's a quick overview of the adjustable parameters you will find on the laser welders. First, Spot size, measured in millimeters. This is the diameter of the laser beam. Set this first every time, as it will affect every other parameter. Set it to the diameter that you want the weld to be. Second is power, measured in kilowatts. This is the laser's output strength. Increase or decrease the power until you see a nice, smooth, even melt without splashing. Higher power will give you deeper penetration in the weld. Length, measured in milliseconds. This is how long the laser pulse will be on every time you hit the foot pedal. My recommendation is start at 1 millisecond and then turn it up or down for deeper, more penetrating welds, or smoother welds as well. Quick note for you, the power and the length are the two parameters that you will adjust the most. Adjust both of them until you get the perfect weld. It won't take too long, and it's really quick. Frequency, measured in hertz. This is how many welds per second you will get while holding down the foot pedal. Purely personal preference on what you do here. Gas is measured in seconds. This is if you're using argon gas, which we highly recommend. You will set this in seconds for how long you want the gas to flow. Finally, the waveform. Choose how energy is delivered. Instantly, gradually, tapered. Honestly, try each waveform for different metals. The Orion LZR Pro also includes the SMSP waveform for the latest in laser welding innovation. It provides the smoothest and cleanest weld for most even melting. It's my favorite. It just makes it so much easier. Look, I hear this all the time. Operators who weld with an Orion for the very first time are immediately impressed by the welding experience and just go, wow, this is amazing. An Orion laser welder really does deliver exceptional welding results. Comes with a 3-year warranty. 3 years. Quality engineering and extraordinary customer service. Call or text us at 801-658-0015 to find the right laser welder for your shop. We are here, happy to help.